Those of us working in global environmental change, we think the future is already decided. But one thing I learned from this is that the future doesn't exist, and it's what we do now that really matters in terms of shaping the parameters in that which the future will emerge. Rescue is really a project that brings together some of the newest thinking on how we address these global change challenges that we have. How do we address the environment in new and different ways, and really go beyond just saying we need more of this and that, but really go like, how do we get there? Rescue really shows that it's not just a technical problem that we have. It's not just what we need to do this and that, but it's about how we actually have to think about what we're doing, how we have to reflect on our responses to environmental change. Think about, are they sustainable in the long term? Are they actually equitable? Do they, what are things? And we have to challenge our own assumptions. We have to challenge our own beliefs and worldviews and see whether maybe we're not seeing the full part of the picture either, and bringing in new voices, new perspectives, and multiple ways of seeing things, I think is the strength of Rescue. We need this open knowledge society. We need a new way of doing science that isn't just based on business as usual or research as usual, and that we actually go beyond that and start to open up, ask different questions, not just questions that are about what's out there, but ask questions of our own selves. What are we, where are our blind spots? How are we actually approaching these issues, and how can we connect and make more connections or reconnect with others who maybe think differently, but how do we get new ideas and new solutions to emerge? One of the great things that happened during the Rescue project is that those of us working in these working groups started to actually work together and think, what next? And so, my working group is really starting to look at is transformation. How do we actually move to what type of knowledge do we need to transform society and to transform education and capacity building? How do we go about changing ourselves, our institutions, our governments, what is that role? So I think that it's being moved forward through these global initiatives, the Joint Programming Initiative of the European Union, European Commission, the Future Planet initiative of the Global Change. It's a big alliance that it gives us an opportunity to take what we learned from Rescue and move it forward.